In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can put a screen protector on your Nintendo Switch 2. It really is a simple process, and if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you're going to need, obviously, a Nintendo Switch 2. What I would recommend doing is getting the official screen protector that does come with the Nintendo Switch 2 case bundle. But if you have a compatible one, that's going to work as well. Inside those screen protectors, you're going to get the screen protector, cleaning cloth, and a dust removal sticker. Essentially, just take off the Joy-Cons, set them aside. We only want to focus on the screen while applying the protector. And just use the microfiber cloth to thoroughly clean the screen. You just want to make sure that there's no fingerprints, no smudges, no dust, otherwise that's going to show up. From here, lay the Switch flat on a clean surface. Don't touch the screen after cleaning it as well. Then use the dust removal sticker, peel it off, gently tap it across the screen, especially around the edges. This will help remove any tiny dust particles that would cause any bubbles. Take your time here. Dust is usually what causes problems. And then from here, you're going to see two tabs on a screen protector. Peel off each tab, and there's going to be one labeled 1 first, and carefully align it with the edges of the screen. Take your time, try to line it up as precisely as possible. Whenever it's lined, place it gently down on the screen, and then peel off tab 2. Don't rush this as well. Let the protector usually and naturally settle on the screen. If you see any bubbles, use a credit card or a flat card and gently push those bubbles outwards towards the edges. Some smaller bubbles may disappear on their own after a few minutes. Just keep smoothing them out until the screen looks clean, and once all the bubbles are gone, that is it. Your Nintendo Switch 2 screen protector is now going to be installed and your screen will be protected. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.